welcome back to our YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video we will see how to fix Valorant stuck on loading screen. So guys, if you're facing this issue, here are the few steps that you can try and resolve your problem. So guys, first of all, simply quick game restart. Okay, because sometimes restarting also solves this problem. To restart, press Alt plus F4 to close the game, and if this pressing keys is unresponsive, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. There, locate and end task related to Valorant and Riot client. After ensuring all processes are closed, then you can restart your Valorant. After this, guys, run Valorant as an administrator. Okay, to do this, right click on the game shortcut and select Run as administrator, because this grants the game necessary permissions to function correctly and do not prohibit its some permissions. After this, guys, update your graphic drivers. Outdated or corrupted graphic drivers are cause loading issues. Okay, so press the window key and type device manager. Open device manager and expand the display adapter section, and then there right click your graphic card and select update driver. In there you have to choose select and search automatically for updated driver software. Then follow the prompts to update. After updating, restart your computer and launch Valorant. And then guys, allow Valorant through Windows Firewall. Firewall settings might block the game. To allow them, press window key again, type control panel and open it. Okay, go to system and security, and in there choose window defender firewall. Then click allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, and add valorant.exe, riot client services.exe and vgc.exe to that list. After this, guys, Vanguard anti-cheat troubleshooting. Okay, to do this, press window plus R again, type service.msc and press enter. Find VGC service, right click and select restart. Okay, after this, uninstall Riot Vanguard via add or remove programs, launch Valorant to prompt Vanguard reinstallation. Okay, and then restart your computer, close unnecessary programs that might interfere with your Vanguard. Okay, and then guys, the last option will be to verify your game files. Okay, how you gonna verify? Launch the Riot client, click on the gear icon next to the play button, select repair or verify game files, and then wait for the process to complete. Still, if none of the options work for you, you can consider contacting to the Riot's game support for further assistance. They will provide you better guidance and better solutions to your problem. Okay, so you can just check out the page and look for any help that you can get. So this is their support. Okay, you can just simply sign in and then provide them your game problem that you're facing, and you can either email them and can call on their toll-free number. So guys, this is all. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching.